Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to make money online but have no idea where to start, you are in the right place. Today I'm breaking down exactly how you can start earning online even if you're a total beginner. Let's get into it. Step 1. Know your skills. First things first, figure out what you're good at. Are you great at writing, designing, coding, or maybe even talking to people? If you're not sure, don't worry, just start with what interests you. Skills grow over time. Visuals, list of beginner-friendly skills: writing, graphic design, typing, voice work, teaching, social media. Step 2, choose a method. Next, decide how you want to earn. Here are 5 proven methods for beginners. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, selling products, dropshipping, or handmade items on Etsy, online teaching platforms like Udemy or Teachable, affiliate marketing, earn commission by promoting products. Pick one that fits your style and go deep on it. Step 3, create your setup. You don't need a fancy setup. A basic laptop, internet connection, and free tools like Canva or Google Docs can go a long way. Just stay consistent. Step 4, build your profile or platform. Now it's time to build your online presence. If you're freelancing, create a standout profile. If you're teaching or selling, build a simple site or a social media page. Show your value clearly. Step 5, start small, stay consistent. Don't expect to make $1,000 overnight. Start small. Maybe your first gig pays $10. That's okay. The key is consistency. Build your reputation, improve your work, and your income will grow. Visual, first sale, first client message, success graph climbing over time. Bonus tips, learn daily, watch free tutorials, network with others in your niche. Avoid scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be patient. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and that's it. That's how you start earning online from scratch. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment telling me how you want to start earning online. Let's grow together.